So the question says, information given in trial balance, sundry debtors rupees 1,50,000, bad debts 2,500 rupees, provision for doubtful debts 5,000 rupees. After that, we have been given certain information in adjustments, that is the additional information जो हमें दी गई है क्वेश्चन में. Further bad debts 1,500 रुपए, प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स न्यू, क्योंकि पहले भी हम प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स क्वेश्चन में देख चुके हैं, बट इट वाज गिवन इन द ट्रायल बैलेंस. नाउ इन द एडजस्टमेंट्स वी हैव बीन अगेन गिवन प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स. सो दिस विल बी न्यू प्रोविजन, whereas the provision given in the trial balance will be old provision, and accordingly उनका treatment भी होगा 5% on debtors. Provision for discount on debtors is 1%. You are required to show the treatment of the information, the above given information in final accounts. सबसे पहले ये चीज हमें ध्यान रखनी होगी, the information given in trial balance appears only at one place in final accounts, whereas the information जो हमें adjustment form में या additional information given होती है after the trial balance, that comes at two places in the final accounts. Now, to show this information, first of all, we need to have a format like this. First of all, I have made the format of profit and loss account. So, ये पूरा profit and loss account हम नहीं बनाएंगे. We will only be showing the treatment of the information given. So, I have written extract of profit and loss account for the year ended. जो भी question में given है, आप उसे यहाँ mention कर सकते हैं. Now, the format of profit and loss account is divided in two parts: debit on the left and credit on the right. उसके बाद on the debit side you will have particulars and amount, and on the credit side we will have particulars and amount. Again, आप यहाँ पर dates भी mention कर सकते हैं if you are properly preparing the complete profit and loss account, but we are only showing the extract, so that can be avoided. Then we need to show the treatment in the balance sheet as well. So balance sheet का format भी हमें साथ में लेना होगा. Balance sheet as on year and month you can write from the question. On the left hand side we will have liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Now let's begin with the treatment of the information given in profit and loss account. सबसे पहले we will write old bad debts. And old bad debts कौन से हैं जो आपको trial balance में given है? That means 2,500 rupees. This will come first of all, और ये सब हम inner column में लिखेंगे, and the final amount will come to the outer column. Old bad debts लिखने के बाद we will write further bad debts that will be added to old bad debts plus further bad debts, and further bad debts हमें given है adjustment में, so ये दो जगह पर appear होंगे final accounts में. Further bad debts 1,500 रुपए, and this is to be added to old bad debts, so हमने यहाँ पर plus का sign mention कर दिया है. Then we can make a total of this 4,000 rupees. अभी तक का टोटल है हमारे पास. उसके बाद add new provision, because trial balance के बाद हमें नई information given है. Provision जो हमें नया create करना है. Doubtful debts के लिए जो नया provision आप बनाएंगे, that will be 5% on debtors. बट हम इसे डेटर्स का जो अमाउंट ट्रायल बैलेंस में गिवन है उस पर कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे. वी नीड टू हैव सम वर्किंग नोट्स फॉर दैट. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दैट नाउ. प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट्स न्यू. इसके लिए यू विल टेक डेटर्स गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन माइनस फर्दर बैड डेट्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रेट गिवन इन दी क्वेश्चन, जो भी आपको परसेंटेज फॉर्म गिवन है. डेटर्स हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 1,50,000 रुपीज. फर्दर बैड डेट्स हमारे पास हैं 1,500 रुपए इंटू 5% इज द रेट ऑफ न्यू प्रोविजन ऑफ डाउटफुल डेट्स. सो 1,50,000 minus 1,500 is equal to 1,48,500 and we will calculate 5% of this. Now this will be new provision for doubtful debts and हमारा आंसर आता है 7,425. Now this will go here as new provision 7,425. Now we can add 7,425 to 4,000 and we get 11,425. And after adding 7,425 to 4,000, we get 11,425. After this, we need to subtract old provisions that is given in the question 5,000 rupees. Old provision for doubtful debts जो हमें question में given है 5,000 रुपए, वो हम यहाँ पर subtract करेंगे from the total we have as of now जो कि है 11,425 रुपए. आप इसमें से old provision less करेंगे 5,000 रुपए and you will get your final balance that is 6,425 rupees जो आप outer column में लिख सकते हैं. Now coming to provision for discount on debtors. बाकी सब चीजें हम अभी तक शो कर चुके हैं फाइनल अकाउंट्स में. Now coming to provision for discount on debtors. We will make a separate entry for this. Provision for discount on debtors. Now again we need to have working notes for the same. इसके लिए you will take debtors given in the question minus further bad debts minus new provision जो हमने अभी अभी कैलकुलेट किया है 7,425 new provision for doubtful debts. Now debtors given is 1,50,000, further bad debts 1,500, new provision for doubtful debts 7,425 and इसके बाद you need to multiply it with the rate given in the question into 1% because हमें question में given है provision for discount on debtors 1%. Now we can solve this and we get 1,410.75 rupees as discount on debtors. Now straight away we can write it down here 1,410.75. Now we are done with the profit and loss account. Now come to the balance sheet. As we know that जो भी information आपको adjustment में given है वो दो जगह पर appear होती है. So we need to show this information in the balance sheet also. And इसके अलावा अभी तक sundry debtors हमने कहीं पर भी show नहीं किया है. It will also come to the balance sheet on the asset side. First of all, we will write sundry debtors 1,50,000 rupees less further bad debts 1,500 रुपए. We can make a total here. After that, we will write calculations we can do later on. After that, we will write new provisions for doubtful debts जो हमने calculate किया था 7,425. Again, the calculations we will do later on. Less provision for discount on debtors जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया है 1,410.75. So 1,50,000 minus 1,500 is 1,48,500. 1,48,500 minus 7,425 comes to 1,41,075 rupees minus 1,410.75 is 1,39,664.25. And this is your complete solution for the question given जहां पर हमें शो करना था treatment of old, further, new provisions, old and further bad debts, new and old provisions for doubtful debts, and provision for discount on debtors as well. So this is your complete treatment. I will post the same in the comment section as well. Hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in for the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day.